It's a very quick question on scatter graphs. We've got the number of hours watching TV in 1 week versus the number of hours studying. And we're asked, we've got this scatter graph, that's all the points. And then this straight line is actually the line of best fit. Yeah, it says it there. Okay, and then we're asked, what type of correlation does the graph show? Well, there's basically three types. There's ones where it kind of goes like this, and that is called positive correlation. Note the line of best fit would have a positive gradient. That's one way to think about it. There's ones where like they're all over the place, and that would be no correlation. And there's ones like this graph here, which is going the other way, and that is negative correlation. The line of best fit has a negative gradient. That's one way to think about it. As the number of hours, as the number of hours studying increases, the number of hours watching TV decreases, and vice versa. Pupil says the equation of the line of best fit is y equals x plus 40. Explain how you can tell this equation is wrong. All right, now there's multiple ways you can do this. Probably the quickest and best way is to say y equals x plus 40 has a gradient of 1, because it's actually in the form y equals mx plus c, which is positive. So the one on the graph is negative. So any kind of sensible reference to gradient that it will be sloping up or whatever, and you'll be okay. You could, if you weren't sure, you could even maybe substitute some points in. You could say like, I've got x is 0, and maybe I try 10 and 20, and then here I'm going to get 40, 50, and 60. We can clearly see that it's kind of going up like this instead. Okay, up in the wrong direction, and you could talk about the positive gradient. So that could be another way of doing it. The answers also, I want to just copy in. So the answers, if you don't refer to the gradient, then you could refer to this, just the fact that when x is positive, y would always be more than 40, but none of the points are like this, just a reference to the graph. This kind of referring to my little table I've made down here. Nobody watched TV for more than 40 hours, but this equation would give hours watching TV as hours studying past plus 40. So yeah, gradient is the best idea, but just some reference, some sensible reference to why this line doesn't work.